everybody, it's Terrence and I am back with another video. But before we begin, if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Make sure to click the bell icon too so that you can stay updated with any content that I put out. I am very excited today. I'm sorry for all the gameplay people, but we are not here for gameplay. Not on today. We are here for some more skincare stuff. So you saw the title of the video. You know, not too long ago, Rihanna put out her Fenty Skin line. I got my hands on some and I want to do like a reaction unboxing type thing with you guys. We are going to test each product and I'm gonna let you guys know my raw thoughts and opinions on it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box. It's a basic brown box. It has my shipping information there, so don't try to come to my house. This is the box. It's very cool. I did open it because I just could not help it. I stopped there. So when you open the box for Fenty Skin, this is the first thing you see. It says Fenty Skin Beauty. I love this little detail. I think that is so cool. When I first got the box, I opened it, but then I wanted you guys to get my like fresh reaction for stuff. So I've already seen this part, but isn't this literally so cool? Like, that's such a small detail, but it's so cool. I have not touched this. This is perfectly packaged. This is how it came. So yeah, we're gonna try to open this. I'm gonna open it the best I can, like with the camera sitting right here. So some packing paper. And then it comes with a return and exchanges sheet. This is like, oh, it's a receipt too. It's like a whole receipt. All right, so this is how everything was packaged. I got the full kit. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I got, Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. So here is the bottle. It's like this purpley color. It's really pretty. This is how you open it. You just kind of twist it here. So we're gonna peel off the sticker. I don't know how to peel off stickers. Oh, you can really just turn it. You can just, okay. You turn it like this to use it and then you close it back. The Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser does run for about 25 bucks. That is not plus shipping and tax, but it is advertised on the website for 25. The second item in the box is the Fenty Skin. Can you guys see that? It's so pretty. And I really like this like lavender color. The Fenty Skin Fat Water. It is a pore refining toner serum. So it's a mixture of a toner and a serum. It has the same sticker. So this is the second step. The Fenty Skin Fat Water Tone. The Fenty Skin, the toner runs for about $28. Again, that is without shipping or handling or anything like that, which really for a toner is really not super expensive. If you watch my last video, you'll see that the Pixie Glow Tonics or the Pixie Tonics that I buy are $15, so it's like $10 more than that, but this is like bigger than that, so it's very reasonably priced. The last product in the Fenty Skin collection is the Fenty Skin Hydrovisor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen, or just the moisturizer. We're just gonna go with the Fenty Skin moisturizer. It has this nice purpley like packaging. I don't know if you guys can see like the slight reflectiveness on the actual Fenty Skin logo. I think that's super cool. So on the side, it has like inserts and twist to close. So I guess that's how you actually like use the thing, since I haven't opened it. It does have SPF, so that's super cool. And it has the same amount of SPF as my regular Aveeno moisturizer. So that's super cool. So we're gonna open. There's like some words in here. Look at that, it's cute. It says, love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, Salt Sip. Oh, if this is what I think it is, this is gonna be literally so cute. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. The moisturizer is in here. This is a reusable like canister holder thingy for it. That's cute, and you can twist it up and twist it down. That's what these instructions were for. That's so cute. This is so cute. It has the Fenty Skin logo on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. I like this. So The moisturizer runs for 35 bucks. It is the more expensive out of the Fenty Skin line, but moisturizers tend to run. This is so cute. Moisturizers tend to be more expensive as far as cleansers or like skincare goes. So 35 is a bit pricey for a cleanser. For me, the moisturizers I buy are normally like 13 to 20. So 35 bucks is a lot. But I mean, it comes with this refillable canister, so maybe, I don't know. I don't think that this is super reasonably priced. The toner and the cleanser, however, I feel like are very reasonably priced, but $35 for a moisturizer, I don't know if I agree with that. For those of us that are on a budget, I don't know. We have the 3 products. And really the only thing left to do is to test them. So we are back in my very bland echoey bathroom. Sorry again about the echo, but we are going to try this out. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so the materials that I have are basically the same materials that I used in my last skincare video. So we have the 3 products from the Fenty Skin line. We have the cleanser, we have the toner, and then we have the moisturizer. And I just have my little silicone scrubby, and we have like a normal rag so that I can get the stuff off. So we're gonna go through each one. I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts and opinions about it. And yeah, I have wet my face with some agua so that we can use this. So I'm really excited about using this cleanser. Oh, that smells good. That smells wonderful. You twist the cap in order to use the cleanser, and you twist it back. Boom. This is what the cleanser kind of looks like. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it for real. It's like kind of like an orangish color. It looks like really creamy. Oh, that smells divine. It has like a tropical kind of smell to it. I don't really know how to describe that for real. It's like not like super fruity, like almost kind of like fruit with coconut maybe. Also, I really enjoy that it doesn't foam up a lot, because I don't really like when my cleansers foam up a lot. I feel like that means there's like a bunch of bad stuff in there. There are a few cleansers I've used before that are like, but yeah, it smells heavenly. It's all on there. So my face is all rinsed from the cleanser. It feels good. I did notice that when I was like trying to clean the cleanser off of my face, normally my cleansers I can kind of just go with one swipe over the whole face. I had to go with like 2 or 3 to kind of get it off, but that's not like a big deal or whatever. Boom. So we are going to go in with our toner. Maybe I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay, you just twist it. Oh wait, maybe I wasn't supposed to twist it. This looks like a cool lid. Just pull it. So, LOL, I'm an idiot. There's a little sticker on the top. That's the opening right there. I'm just dumb. So just like the cleanser, the toner has a little twisty top for you to open, and it just opens a little bit like that. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Okay, so you do have to squeeze it a little bit. All right, so what I've noticed immediately is that this toner has like a really like, you won't be able to see this at all, but it has like a really like gel consistency. And oh, that doesn't smell good. It does not. Yeah, okay. It's like somewhere between like gel and liquid. Like, I don't know, it's weird. And also it smells not that great. It has a very medical smell to it. That's not my favorite thing. And now my hands smell like it, so. It feels good though. It definitely feels good. The one negative, or I guess the 2 negatives, because 1, it doesn't smell great, and 2, it does leave my face like tacky, and I'm not a big huge fan of that, but I guess because it is a serum, like that's what it's just gonna do. And the last step is boop, the moisturizer. I think this is so cute. This is so cute, and like I love this. Anyway, the moisturizer. Maybe we're gonna pump. Okay, there we go. So pump, pump, pump. And this is what it looks like. I'm super OCD about like lotion particles getting like underneath stuff. So it's like a purpley color. Oh, that. Oh yeah, okay. This is, oh my God, this smells great. Okay, I love this. The moisturizer smells heavenly. Like, if you close your eyes, okay, yeah. Right off the gate, the moisturizer smells heavenly. It's very tropical as well. It's like a more enhanced version of the cleanser, and it's great. But the after smell, like just on my hands, kind of smells like, you know, if you've been chewing like juicy fruit for a long time and it's like a little stale juicy fruit. I can still kind of smell it like around my face, and it smells great. As far as the feel, my skin is very, very soft. It feels super hydrated as of right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, any difference or whatever, but I like it. Like, I like this moisturizer overall. And the selling point for me really is like the gimmick of this like reusable container. It's like, buy more moisturizer, do it. Yeah, this is the best smelling one out of the bunch. Like, yeah. So yeah, that was me actually using the product so that you guys can see. I hope you guys were able to see everything like decently. So yeah, we're gonna move on to my final thoughts. Okay, so you guys have seen me use the entire Fenty Skin line and heard, I guess, my initial reactions to it. Obviously, skincare products aren't gonna work on you overnight, so I am going to give you guys an update on how the line goes. I'm gonna use it for about a week and then give you guys an update on that. We're gonna get you with the 3 Ps. I like to use the 3 Ps whenever I'm doing like a review of something, and I normally just do it in my head, but my 3 Ps are the packaging, the price, and the overall product. So as far as packaging goes, it would be a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the colors. They're very soft, they're very muted. I love the lavender with the like peachy color of the serum. Everything was packaged very nicely, and even the box had that little surprise in it. I thought that was very, very cute. So the price is a little bit of a conflict because it was a little bit on the more expensive end, but for the amount of stuff that you're getting, and that's like units per each product, you're getting kind of a lot. So I would give the price maybe like a 7 out of 10, just because I cannot give it a full 10 out of 10 because $35 for a moisturizer is a lot. I don't know about the other like skincare gurus or whatever it is that you guys watch or whatever, but in my opinion, this is strictly my own opinion, $35 is a lot for a moisturizer, and I don't think the gimmick is enough for the price. As far as the cleanser and the toner, like, those are decent. Those are still like the upper end of the price, but $25 and $28 respectively for the cleanser and the toner. It's up there, but it's okay. But $35 is definitely a no for me. My last P, the product overall. I think that the product overall was decent. Like I said, I can't really tell anything after a one-time use. You obviously have to do more than one time for your skin. So I am going to exclusively be using the Fenty Beauty skin stuff for the next week, and I'll come back with an update. But first reaction of the overall product, I think that the cleanser's okay. It does what I think a cleanser should do. The serum is a meh for me because it stinks. Like, the serum to me stinks. Not to say that to everybody it's gonna stink, but to me, the serum does not smell good. I've had lots of serums and lots of toners that do smell really, really good, which obviously means that they added fragrance in it, and I know fragrances are good for your skin, but to me, the toner did not smell good. Like, it didn't stink, but it wasn't appealing, so it wouldn't be a product I'm like, oh yeah, that's great. And the moisturizer smells great. It applies great. It's a beautiful color. The after smell is a little wonky for me because, like I said, it smells kind of like expired juicy fruit, but now that it's just sitting on my face and like I can kind of smell the residual like stuff from my face, it smells good. And I'm gonna be washing my hands all the time anyway because we're in a pandemic, so wash your hands, kids. But the after smell on your hands does smell like expired gum to me, so there's that. I would definitely give a thumbs up to the cleanser and a thumbs up to the moisturizer as far as the overall product and what the product is supposed to do. But the toner is a meh for me just because it does not smell good at all. If you guys have the Fenty Skin stuff, let me know how you felt about it in the comments below. Let me know if you want to get it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the video or if I did something wrong. Thank you guys so much for watching my thrown together review of Fenty Skin. I was very excited when I saw that Rihanna was dropping this line because I love skincare stuff. If there's any other skincare products out there that you guys want me to try, please let me know. I will definitely do that. Like, why not? I think that's about it. If you are not already, go ahead and follow me on my other social media. It's Hello Terrence with 3 O's and 1 R, exactly how it's spelled. Yeah. And with all that being said, stay hydrated and I'll catch you in the next one.